Alberta is calling has definitely had some unintended consequences. And one of the major consequences is, I think, a rise in gang activity.
In the past 1 week, Calgarians have been waking up to news of gun violence in the city almost every day. Shootings in Marlborough, Abbeydale, and then McEwen. While this is raising questions about the safety of our neighborhoods, criminologist Dr. Narayan says there seems to be a pattern in these crimes.
So what happened in Abbeydale is quite extraordinary and quite scary. The offenders are becoming way more brazen. They are out there to send a very strong message to those that oppose them. And now, in terms of opposition, these are generally other gangs. So I think the rift between gangs and the competition between gangs has become very aggressive.
But gun violence advocacy groups like the Calgary Taxpayers Association argue that this spike in Calgary shootings is not related to the Alberta is Calling campaign and gangs, but a result of lack of enforcement.
I believe the problem stems within the city. There needs to be harsher punishments. They need to not have a catch and release for those that have committed these crimes. The situation is at a crisis level and it needs to be addressed immediately by the mayor and by city council, not just dismissing it as, oh, we have a public safety task force.
The Calgary Taxpayers Association have been actively voicing their concerns to the City Council about rising gun violence in Calgary since the start of 2023. Dr. Narayan says in times like these, the community also needs to step up and help the law enforcement agencies, police and Crime Stoppers to bring the situation under control.
We all need to work together. Crime prevention is, is not the job of police. Police, they do an amazing job of crime investigation. I think crime prevention, a lot of it has to be driven by the community. And we need to be more proactive. We need to start calling things in when we see things that are, out of the ordinary.
In Calgary, Henna Saeed, City News.